My name is Kisle Mishra and I got 10th position on the state merit list. I got 96.83% and I really feel very good when I saw my name in state merit list, and I was actually blessed with my parents, with my teachers, and I feel really happy that I got this position, and it was a great experience after it. And one more thing for the helicopter ride, that it's really a fabulous experience that I ever seen in my life, and the pilot also is very charming and very good and very helpful to me. He instructed us what to do in the helicopter and what are the precautions we have to take after sitting in it, and he also instructed us that what are the views and what are the things we are seeing from the helicopter to the ground. And I would also like to thank SCM sir.
My name is Nargis Khan. I am from Swami Atmanand English Medium School, and today I reached that height from the helicopter ride. So I am very thank you to CM sir and all the officers who played a role for that ride. और मैं जो अभी मतलब वहाँ से जो व्यू देखा और यहाँ से जो दिखता है वो मच बेटर था, और मैं बहुत मोटिवेटेड फील कर रही हूँ ये सब करके। तो थैंक यू टू CM सर।